Hello, and welcome to this video on the anatomy of the lower limb bones, including the hip bone. The hip bone, also known as the coxal bone, is a large, irregularly shaped bone that forms the pelvis. It is composed of three fused bones, the ilium, ischium, and pubis. The ilium is the largest of the three bones and forms the superior aspect of the hip bone. The ischium forms the posterior aspect of the hip bone and is the bone you sit on. The pubis forms the anterior aspect of the hip bone and is divided into two parts that meet at the pubic symphysis. The lower limb contains 30 bones. The femur is the single bone of the thigh and the longest and strongest bone in the body. It articulates with the hip bone at the hip joint and with the tibia and patella at the knee joint. The patella, commonly known as the kneecap, is a triangular bone that protects the knee joint and enhances the leverage of the quadriceps femoris muscle. The tibia is the main weight-bearing bone of the lower leg and is located on the medial side. It plays a key role in both the knee and ankle joints. The fibula is a bone that is smaller and located on the lateral side of the lower leg. Although it is not a weight-bearing bone, it provides muscle attachment and helps to stabilize the ankle joint. The foot contains 7 tarsal bones arranged in 2 rows: proximal, talus, calcaneus, navicular, and distal, cuboid, lateral cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, medial cuneiform. These bones form various joints that enable inversion, eversion, plantar flexion, and dorsiflexion movements. The foot contains 5 long bones called metatarsals that run from the tarsal bones to the phalanges. They are numbered from medial to lateral as I to V and articulate with the tarsal bones proximally and phalanges distally. There are 14 small bones called phalanges that form part of the toes. Each toe, except for the big toe, has 3 phalanges: proximal, middle, and distal. The big toe has only 2 phalanges: proximal and distal. And that concludes our tour of the lower limb bones, including the hip bone. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.